Elementary, high school, I was always an achiever. But, syempre, when you get to be a mom, yung spotlight nasa children mo. So, I took a step back, not knowing na I was already making myself small. Hi everyone, my name is Rain. Since I'm a fire sign, Sagittarian, so syempre go-getter, pero yung go-getter na nasa likod lang, hindi yung go-getter na nasa harap. Kumbaga, I'm the cheering squad of my children, yun, nasa background, so I dimmed my light. So medyo, hindi tayo iiyak. Compose yourself. Ayun. This is your time to shine. Sabi nga, if the doors are not open for you, it doesn't mean that there's no opportunity. You create the door. Diba? You create that opportunity. So that's what I did. I take a big leap when I attended Kimi's birthday. I didn't know anyone. I don't have any intention of socializing. Kasi nga, medyo na ano ako sa social world. Pero I have been attending meditations online, ganyan. When Kimi asked me, is this resonating with you? When she presented me everything. So, sabi ko nga kay Kimi, sa sobrang private ko, I don't want to share as well my social media, katulad ni Beans. Puro private lang yung accounts ko. As in, dead yung social media. So sabi ni Kimi, paano ka magiging coach kung hindi ka nakikita ng tao? Kumbaga, I created my own coaching profile online, pero puro quotes lang siya, walang pangalan, logo lang nandun. So how would the people know na ikaw yan? Tapos, there was this point during our one-on-one session, Rain, I want you to do this. And then she asked me to do an on-the-spot gratitude. Hindi ko alam na itong si Instagram, dahil nga, ano na sila, nag-merge ni FB. So, every time na hindi mo siya diba, may option doon to share, hindi ko siya na-opt out. So, like, everyone from the FB side, yes, so they went, hi, nabuhay ka na pala, parang ganun. Yes, pati X, exactly. When I created my brand, it was just Rain on a mission. So sabi ko, okay, so what mission is that? Is to transform women, to release whatever hang-ups or negative emotions they have in life. I've done magical things to my friends then, and I've seen their transformation. So now I know that it's working. That's when the birth of my brand name, Rain with Rain. Kasi nga, you can reign with me kasi I'm gonna be guiding you.